What's the meaning of conventionally? Conventionally. Conventionally.
Conventionally. Conventionally. Conventionally means doing something in the way that is generally accepted as normal or traditional. It refers to following established norms, practices, or customs that have been developed over time and are widely recognized as appropriate or expected. By adhering to conventional standards, individuals can ensure that they are behaving in a manner that is socially acceptable and conforms to the norms of their culture or society. However, conventionality can also limit creativity and innovation, and it may prevent individuals from thinking outside the box or challenging established ways of doing things.